on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making freezer-friendly breakfast sandwiches. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 6 English muffins, 3/4 cup of half and half, non-stick cooking spray, 6 frozen breakfast sausage patties, 7 large eggs, 3/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 6 slices of cheese. To my eggs, I'm going to add in my half and half, black pepper, salt, and also parsley flakes. And you just want to whisk it together until it's well combined. Now I have a 9x12 baking dish and I'm going to spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. Okay guys, you can set your oven to 350 degrees. Now you want to go ahead and pour your egg mixture into the baking dish. Next, you want to place them into your 350 degree oven for 22 to 28 minutes until they're cooked all the way through. Next, you want to get a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. We're going to place our breakfast sausage patties onto it. You want to place them into your 350 degree oven for 30 minutes. Okay guys, our eggs are now done and out of the oven. You want to let them sit for 10 to 15 minutes. You want them to be cooled off completely before we cut them. Okay guys, our breakfast sausage patties are now also out of the oven. I'm going to transfer them onto a plate and I'm going to let them cool completely. You also want to put a paper towel onto the plate so it can drain any grease. Okay guys, now for our English muffins, we're just going to go ahead and separate them. You want to get a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. And we're just going to place our English muffins onto it. Now you want to place them in your 350 degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes, so I've taken my English muffins out the oven. We're going to also let that cool completely. Now you want everything to cool completely before we assemble it, because you don't want any steam to form when we wrap them. Because if steam forms, it's going to make the English muffins soggy later on. Once your eggs have cooled off, you want to take a biscuit cutter. And we're just going to cut our eggs out so that they will fit onto our English muffins. So now we're going to assemble our English muffins. I'm going to go ahead and get your sausage patties and place them onto the bottom of your English muffin. Next, we're going to take our egg, place that right over top of your sausage patty. Next, we're going to take our slice of cheese, place that over top of our egg. Now we're going to place the tops of our English muffins onto the cheese. Okay guys, now we're going to wrap our breakfast sandwiches in a piece of parchment paper. Okay guys, once you have your sandwiches wrapped, we're going to place them into a large freezer bag. Okay guys, and you can also label it and put the date on it. Now when you freeze your breakfast sandwiches, they can last up to 1 to 2 months. And if you put them in the refrigerator, you want to use them between 3 to 4 days. Okay guys, I'm going to put tips on how to reheat your breakfast sandwiches when you're ready to eat them. They'll be in my description box. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?